Indian Standard Time. The latitude and longitude extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. That means if we counting the longitude, that means the imaginary line that is move north to south or south to north, that is called longitude, and the line, imaginary line, which move east to west or west to east, that is called latitude. So if we count east to west or the north to south, we count is about 30 degrees. All are. Despite the fact is that the east-west extent appear to be the similar than the north-south extent. This means that there would be a line difference between 2 hours, Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. If we see the rising sun in Arunachal Pradesh in 6 a.m., then we found the rising sun in Gujarat at 8 a.m. That means 2 hours late from the Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. In such a way, the vast Indian time difference will be so many. How can we maintain a time clock? So, to avoid such difference in local time, we maintain a Indian Standard Time, which has been fixed to give the whole country a uniform time. The whole country should be maintained a similar time. So, we take a longitude, and which is the longitude? That is called the local time of standard meridian, and it is 82 degree 30 minute east. You go through the picture. Observe the standard time by the whole country. Because of this reason, we find that the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. But both show the same time because we take the time according to the standard meridian, that is 82 degree and 30 minutes, which passes Mirzapur near Allahabad. So you go through the map once again, and then you can get the particular time period. Now, the Indian landmass has a central location between East and the West Asia. India is the southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean Road, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries East Asia, provide a strategic central location of India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish a close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western side coast, and with southern East Asia from the eastern coast. If we see the map clearly, you can find this one very nicely. So, be clear with this topic with your map. India's contact with the world have continued through the age, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than the maritime contact. Maritime contact means through the sea route. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. If we are talking about the internal division in a way of state, we can found that 29 states and 7 union territory. So, it is clear how the standard time is mentioned, Indian standard time, and whatever the strategic position of India along with the both of the coastal area, that means eastern coastal area, western coastal area, as well as the outer world through the